we'll be finding, looking at another question from the topic progressions. We have to find the sum 2 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 4 square plus 4 into 5 square till 10 into 11 square. So pause the video, try it yourself, and in case you don't get it, then look at the solution. Okay, so here we have s equal to 2 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 4 square plus till 10 into 11 square. Now clearly we can see that after like 2 into 3 square, 3 into 4 square, these terms are like in a similar pattern, but 2 is entirely a different pattern term. So we can keep this separate. Later on at the end we can add 2 to the this particular, after we find out this particular sum. Now how many terms are there in this expression? It starts from 2 and it ends at 10. So there are 9 terms clearly in this expression, and we can represent each term in terms of the nth term. So what will be the nth term for this particular series? If this is the first term, so if we have a1 is equal to 2 into 3 square, a2 equal to 3 into 4 square, then what is an? An is nothing but n plus 1, because 1, so 1 for 1 we have got 2 here, so that becomes n plus 1, and for 1 we have 3 here, so this is n plus 2 whole square. So one of these terms could be, any of these terms could be represented as this particular term. Okay, now what is s? S is nothing but 2 plus sigma of an, n equal to 1 till 9, because there are 9 terms. Okay, now what is sigma an? We have to basically find this particular expression. Now what is sigma an? It is sigma n plus 1 n plus 2 whole square. Now opening this expression, we get n plus 1 into n plus 2 whole square is n square plus 4 plus 4n. Okay, this is, we can multiply these two expressions. N square into n is n cube plus n square plus 4n plus 4 plus 4n square plus 4n. Okay, now combining the similar terms, we get n cube plus n square plus 4n square is 5n square plus 4n plus 4n is 8n plus 4. And note that we have to find this from n equal to 1 to n equal to 9. Now we will use some general expressions for the various summations. So what is summation n cube? It is nothing but from n equal to 1 to n equal to k. What is, how do we find this? It is given as k by 2 into k plus 1 whole square. This is the general expression which we should remember, because it may be used at many places actually. So similarly we have expressions for other types of terms as well. So for n square, that is the sum of squares of integers, is what, how do we find it? It is computed as k into k by 6 into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1. Okay, and what is sigma n? It is nothing but k by 2 into k plus 1. Now we will use these three expressions to compute this whole thing. Okay, so we have sigma n cube plus, we have 5n square plus 8n plus 4. So we have 5n square plus 8n plus 4, and note that k is equal to 9 here. Okay, so now sigma n cube, we simply need to put k equal to 9 and evaluate this expression. So this becomes 9 upon 2 9 plus 1 is 10 whole square plus 5 into, now n square we have to put 9 in this expression and compute it. This is 9 by 6 into k plus 1 is 10, that is 9 plus 1. 2k plus 1 is 9 into 2, 18 plus 1, 19, and bracket close. Now further we get a10. For a10 we need to write 9 by 2 into 10 and plus 4 into, we are doing it 9 times, so 4 into 9. Now simplifying this, 9 into 10 upon 2, this is 2 goes by 10, 45. This becomes 45 square plus, now we can compute, we can cancel out this 6, this goes by 3 and this goes by 5, so 3 5s are 15, 15 5s are 75, so this becomes 75 into 19 plus this 2 goes by 5, so this goes 45 into 8, so this becomes 45 into 8 plus 36, because 4 into 9 is 36. Now we need to compute these terms, so we will simply use the multiplication. So this is 45 square is 2025. Now what is 75 into 19? So 75 into 19, 75 into 20 we know is 1500, minus 75 is 1425, plus what is 45 into 8? 80, 160, 240, 320 plus 40, 360 plus 36. Now we simply need to add these four terms. So 2025 plus 1425 is 40, that's in fact 3500. Pardon, that would be 0, 5, 3450 plus 360 plus 36, 396. Okay, so this becomes 6, 9, 14, 07, 8, 3846. So this is the sum of these 9 terms. Okay, so we have already found the sum of these terms to be 3486. Now we just need to add 2, 3846. So what will be S? S is nothing but 2 plus 3846, which is 3848. This is the required answer.